Well, hi, I'm Jay Arthur, author of Lean Six Sigma for Hospitals and QI Macros. Now, when I first started going in quality improvement, our training folks talked about Yankee Spirit as a method of setting a goal. Now, what's Yankee Spirit? Well, Yankee Spirit is simply a 50% reduction in delay, defects, and deviation. Well, that just sounded like, we're just taking a dartboard and throwing a thing at it. But it was years later that I realized that this is actually scientifically doable. And so as I started to look at it, Pareto's rule says 20% of what you do produces 80% of the waste, rework, lost profit, patient harm, whatever you want to call it. And within that 20%, Pareto's rule also applies, which means that that first 4%, guess what? 4% of what you do produces over half the total defects, delay, deviation. And so what we can do is find that 4%. Now, people don't seem to understand percentages, so I'll simplify it for you, right? That means 4 steps out of every 100, or 1 step out of every 25, is causing half the waste, rework, and lost profit, and patient harm, and deaths, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. So here's what you want to do. You're going to want to take some data and help you pinpoint the 4%, the 1 step out of 25 that's causing most of your waste, rework, and lost profit. And guess what happens when you do that? Well, guess what? You can get massive improvements with a minimum amount of effort. You don't have to fix everything. Stop thinking you have to fix everything. That's stupid. People do these wall-to-wall, floor-to-ceiling, Six Sigma implementations. It's stupid. All right, go out and use some data to pinpoint exactly what's broken, get the right people together to know something about that, and then fix that. This is not hard, right? And you don't have to do it all the time. You don't have to do it everywhere. That's stupid. Find the 4% and fix that. It'll give you 50% or more bang for the buck. I have never failed to do that, right? This is just not, if there's problems out there and we can cut it by 50%, guess what? Massive improvements are possible. And then you do the next 50% and the next 50%, whatever it is, and pretty soon you have a hassle-free America, hassle-free healthcare. So that's my improvement insight for this week. I believe anybody can learn how to do this quickly and easily with the QI macros. Now, I think it's easy. And again, if you narrow your focus down to the few things that need to be fixing, you don't need all the charts in the world. You don't need to know everything to improve anything. Let's create a hassle-free America. Let's go out and improve something this week.